to speak to your baby? Okay. Yes, because
He wants to reply me. He wants to answer me, but I didn't know how to
yes.
understand what he
Yes.
wants to speak.
What are you trying to say, baby? Huh?
Say something.
Say something. Okay, and then, oh really? What happened? Oh, is that true? Oh my God! Really? Really? And then, what happened? Oh, good job. Oh, and then, yesterday or today? Just today? Oh, just today. Oh, and then, and then, so, you did not go. Oh my God, really? So, and then, oh, you were a big boy. You are very good. Oh, and then, oh, really?
Don't bite your finger.
Really? Is that true? Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? Huh? Oh, what happened next? Oh. You went there and then... don't suck your finger. And then, tell me what happened.
Talk na, dali.
You talk to me na. Are you tired already? Yes? No? Yes? No? Are you tired already?
Yes.
Not yet? Are you not going to sleep yet? Don't you know it's already 8:23? Oh, let's go to sleep.
Sleepy na, sleepy.
Sleepy baby?
Saying yes.
Yes. Eh. Oh, you will eat first. You will eat first. You will eat first. You will eat first. My name is Achilles Kahindi. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Wala mo.